Hello everyone. Today inshallah we will continue lesson 2 in unit 6 in Global English 3. This unit is interesting. It discusses dinosaurs. So let's start the beginning. Dinosaurs, questions and answers. Unit 6, lesson 2, part 2. The learner's book pages are 78 and 79, and the activity book pages are 66 and 67. Okay, let's move to the next slide. We have questions about dinosaurs, and these are some questions about them. I'm gonna show you now some pictures of dinosaurs. Different kinds of dinosaurs. 5 pictures, A, B, C, D, and E. And we have 5 sentences. Each sentence is related to one kind of these 5 kinds. So you're supposed to do what? You're supposed to match a picture with a sentence. You understand? So let's read the sentences first. Which dinosaur do you think could eat leaves at the top of a tall tree? Which one of the 5 could eat leaves at the top of a tall tree? The next one, which dinosaur could hit other dinosaurs with its tail? You have to match it. The next one, which dinosaur could make a noise with its head? And which dinosaur could kill other dinosaurs with its teeth? And the next one and the last one, which dinosaur could run very fast? Please pause the video, try to write down your answers, and then come to me to check them. Okay, after you did what I said, I trust you, let's check the answers. Okay, so the dinosaur that could eat leaves at the top of a tall tree is letter C. It's called Apatosaurus. Okay, so this dinosaur, letter C, could eat leaves at the top of a tall tree. The next one. Okay, the dinosaur that could kill other dinosaur with its teeth is letter A. It's an Allosaurus. Its name is Allosaurus, and it could eat other dinosaurs with its teeth. Let's see the next sentence. Okay, the dinosaur that could hit other dinosaurs with its tail is letter D. Look at the tail, mashallah, very strong. Okay, so it could hit other dinosaurs with its tail. Let's see the next one. The dinosaur that could run very fast is letter B, Gallimimus. You can see that it's not huge, so it can be light while running. That's why it's very fast. The last one, the dinosaur that could make a noise with its head is letter E, and it's called Parasaurolophus. Okay, a long name, Parasaurolophus. So this dinosaur could make noise with its head. So after answering these questions, let's move to this part. In this part, we have 3 kinds of dinosaurs. We will listen about Allosaurus, Gallimimus, and Apatosaurus. So let's listen, and then we will see the answers for these questions.
Track 43. Could dinosaurs walk on 2 legs?
Yes, some walked on 2 legs, others walked on 4 legs. Most meat-eating dinosaurs, like Allosaurus, walked on 2 legs. This left their hands free to grab the animals they wanted to eat.
Could dinosaurs run?
Yes, they could. Some dinosaurs, like Gallimimus, could run very fast. They could probably run about 70 kilometers per hour. A grown-up Apatosaurus was much bigger than the meat-eating Allosaurus, so it didn't need to run. But a baby Apatosaurus could be a tasty meal for a hungry Allosaurus. Scientists think that baby Apatosauruses could run quite fast on their 2 back legs when they needed to get away.
How did dinosaurs use their tails?
Dinosaurs' long tails helped them to keep their balance as they ran. A huge Apatosaurus sometimes stood on its two back legs to eat leaves at the top of a tree. Its long tail helped it keep its balance as it ate. Ankylosaurus used its tail as a weapon. Ankylosaurus could swing its heavy tail to break the legs of any dinosaur which tried to eat it.
Could dinosaurs make a noise?
Most dinosaurs probably made some kind of noise. Scientists are not sure what noises they made. Did they hiss like a snake, or roar like a lion, or honk like a goose? What do you think? The Parasaurolophus had a big tube on its head. Scientists think that the tube made sounds like a musical instrument, loud and low. Parasaurolophus was a plant-eating dinosaur, so perhaps it used its loud call to warn the others when a meat-eating dinosaur was near.
Okay, so after listening, I'm gonna read again for you to make it easy. Could dinosaurs walk on two legs? The answer is yes. Some walked on two legs, others walked on four legs. Most meat-eating dinosaurs, like Allosaurus in picture letter A, walked on two legs. This left their hands free to grab the animals they wanted to eat. Question number 2. Could dinosaurs run? The answer is yes, they could. Some dinosaurs like Gallimimus could run very fast. They could probably run about 70 kilometers per hour. Picture B. Okay, a grown-up Apatosaurus in picture C was much bigger than the meat-eating Allosaurus, so it didn't need to run. But a baby Apatosaurus could be a tasty meal for a hungry Allosaurus. Scientists think that the baby Apatosauruses could run quite fast on their two back legs when they needed to get away. Get away from what? From Allosaurus.
43.
So, just a minute.
Could dinosaurs walk on two legs?
Yes.
We listen to this and the teacher, we will continue. With the teacher, we will continue reading this. Okay, dinosaurs, long tails helped them to keep their balance as they ran. Balance, yeah, not to fall down, what I mean. So the tail helped the dinosaurs to keep their balance. A huge Apatosaurus could sometimes stood on its two back legs to eat leaves at the top of a tall tree. Its long tail helped it keep its balance as it ate. So without the tail, it couldn't eat. Ankylosaurus, as in picture letter D, this is Ankylosaurus, a kind of dinosaurs. Ankylosaurus used its tail as a weapon. Ankylosaurus could swing its heavy tail to break the legs of any dinosaur which tried to eat it. So it was like a weapon, okay? Okay. Now, as you see in picture letter E, Parasaurolophus, this is another kind of dinosaurs. So let's read this. Could dinosaurs make a noise? Most dinosaurs probably made some kind of noise or sound. Scientists are not sure what noises they made. Did they hiss like a snake? Or roar like a lion? Or honk like a goose? What do you think? The Parasaurolophus, this dinosaur, had a big tube on its head, as you see. Scientists think that the tube made sounds like a musical instrument, loud or low. Parasaurolophus was a plant-eating dinosaur, so perhaps it used its loud call to warn the others when a meat-eating dinosaur was near. Okay, so it used these sounds to tell the others, run away. Okay, let's answer the questions. We answered the questions already. Could dinosaurs walk on 2 legs? The answer is yes. Some did. Others walked on 4 legs. Could dinosaurs run? Yes. Okay, here the question, how did dinosaurs use their tails to balance and as a weapon? Okay, could dinosaurs make a noise? Yes. Okay, now I want to tell you that can't, something fast. Can't is the opposite of can. So what's the opposite of could? Yes, couldn't. You are right. So the opposite of could is couldn't, and we use could to refer to the past. Okay. Now we have an easy question here. You will do what? You will rearrange the words to make a sentence or a question, and then choose the right answer from these answers. Okay? So you will rearrange to make a question and answer the question from these answers. I'm gonna leave you, pause the video, write down your answers, and then come back to check. Okay? Okay, I'm sure you try to do what I said, so let's check your answers. Number 2, a Gallimimus jump could. The question is, the answer for number 1 is letter C. Could dinosaurs read? No, they couldn't. They couldn't read and they couldn't write. Number 2, the question will be, could a Gallimimus jump? And the answer will be letter A. Yes, it could. It could jump and run very fast. Number 3, the question will be, could most dinosaurs make sounds? The answer will be letter B. Yes, they probably could, but we don't know what kind of sounds most dinosaurs made. Okay? Now, this is an easy question too. We have sentences, yes, no sentences, and we will make questions about these sentences. Okay, like number 1 is answered. No, it couldn't. An Ankylosaurus couldn't run. Okay, so we will say, could an Ankylosaurus run? Could an Ankylosaurus, and then complete run. So we just switch could with the subject and we make the question in an easy way. Number 2, yes, it could. An Ankylosaurus could use its tail as a weapon. Okay, let's make the question together. We will say, could an Ankylosaurus use its tail as a weapon? Okay, number 3, the answer, no, it couldn't. Some dinosaurs could swim, but an Ankylosaurus couldn't. I'm sure you will try to answer now before I say the answer. Okay, the question will be, could an Ankylosaurus swim? Okay, sentence number 4, yes, it could. An Apatosaurus could probably kick quite hard. The question will be, could an Apatosaurus kick? Sentence number 5, no, it couldn't. An Apatosaurus couldn't climb trees. The question will be, could an Apatosaurus climb trees? Okay, the last question, yes, it could. A baby Apatosaurus could run quite fast on its 2 back legs. The question will be, could a baby Apatosaurus run? Now, it's time to tell you, thank you for following. If you have any question, your teacher is always there. Goodbye.